Hello dear students, today we'll discuss the topic squares and square roots. Let's define the term square. What is square? If a number is multiplied by itself, then the product is called square. Let's say example. If 3 is multiplied by 3, then we write 3 into 3 equal to 3 square, which equal to 9. Similarly, if 16 is multiplied by 16, 16 into 16, which we write 16 square equal to 256. Now we define the term perfect square. What is a perfect square? A natural number is called perfect square if it is square of some natural numbers. Let's see example. Suppose consider the number 3 square. 3 square is 3 into 3, that is 9. Similarly, 4 square equals to 16. 5 square equal to 25. So, since 3 square equal to 9, so 9 is a perfect square. Similarly, 16 is a perfect square and 25 is also a perfect square because 25 is square of 5, 16 is square of 4. Similarly, 9 is square of 3. So, these numbers are perfect square. Let's see some examples. Examples of perfect square. Since 1 square is 1, so it is perfect square. 2 square is 2 into 2, 4, so it is a perfect square. 3 square is 3 into 3, 9, which is a perfect square. Similarly, 4 square is equal to 16 is a perfect square. 5 square is 25, 25 is a perfect square. 6 square is 36, 36 is also perfect square, and so on. Let's see some examples. First example is 784 a perfect square? So at first we have to factorize 784. 784, if we divide 784 by 2, then we get 392, and we divide 392 by 2, then we get 196. If we divide 196 by 2, then we get 98. 90 is divisible by 2, so 2 divided by 98 divided by 2 equal to 49, and 7 sevens are 49, and hence we write 784 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7, that is there are 2 2's, so we write 2 square. There are 2 2's, so we write 2 square. There are 2 7's, so we write 7 square. 7 square. Thus we find that all numbers have the pairs. 2 has a pair, these 2 has a pair, and 7 has also a pair. So 784 is a perfect square. It is a perfect square. Let's see another example. Is 512 a perfect square? The same process, we factorize 512. Last digit is 2, so that is the digit in unit place is 2. It is even number, so it is divisible by 2. So here we write 2. 512 by 2 equal to 256, and last digit is 6. It is divisible by 2. 2 divided by 256 divided by 2 equal to 128. Again 2. 64. 2. 32. 216. 2 8. 2 4. 2, 2. Thus we write 512 equal to, there are 2 2's, so 2 square. There are 2 2's, that is 2 square. There are 2 2's, 2 square, and there is 2 2 into 2 square, and a single 2, that is into 2. So here these two has a pair, these two also pair, these two has pair, these two also pair, and it has also pair. But these two has no pair. That is, we find 2 as this number 2 has no pair. So it is not a perfect square, and hence write 512 is not a perfect square. Let's see another example. The question is, find the smallest number by which 1323 must be multiplied so that the product is a perfect square, and hence find the perfect square number. At first, we factorize 1323. Observe that last unit digit in unit place is 3. So 3 is odd number, and hence this number is not divisible by 2. Is it divisible by 3? We just add the whole digit, that is 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 1 9. 9 is divisible by 3, so this number is divisible by 3. So here we write 3. 1323 divided by 3 equal to 441, and same manners, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 is divisible by 3, so 441 is divisible by 3. 441 divided by 3 equals to 147, and last digit is 7, and 7 2s are 14, so we write 7. 147 divided by 7 equals to 21. 7 3s are 21. Thus we write 1323 equals to, here 3 square into 7 square into 3. So here this number 3 has a pair, 7 has a pair, but this 3 has no pair. So if we multiply this number by 3, then we get then the product is perfect square. Hence 3 is the required number. 3 is the required number, which if we multiply 1323 by 3, then the product is perfect square. And the question is, find the perfect square number. So perfect square number is 1323 into 3 equal to 3969. Is it a perfect square? Yes, it is square of 63. So it is a perfect square, and hence the answer. Hope you can understand this topic. Thanks for watching.